Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see sensitive content on X or Twitter. First, open the X application on your mobile device. Once you are in the Twitter or X application, you will see your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. In your profile menu, scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on it and go to your account settings. Within your account settings, you will find various options. Look for privacy and safety and tap on it. Under the privacy and safety section, you will see an option for content you see. Tap on it. Within the content you see settings, look for options related to topics, explore settings and interests. Check if you find the option for sensitive content. If you don't see the option in the application, you can try accessing your Twitter account through a web browser on your mobile device. Open your preferred web browser, go to twitter.com and log into your Twitter account. Once you're logged into your Twitter account in the web browser, click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In your account settings on the web browser, click on Privacy and Safety to access privacy settings. Within the privacy and safety settings, locate and click on Content You See to manage your content preferences. Under the Content You See settings, you should now see the option for sensitive content. You can turn it on or off based on your preference. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.